Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix Fortnite error ESP-DIST-001 error on your Nintendo Switch. So this could be on your Nintendo Switch 1 or Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Nintendo Switch and click on the settings button as seen from here. After you do that, you need to actually scroll down till you find the system settings as seen from here. After that, you need to scroll down from here too till you find data clear options or format options. After you do so, you need to click on it, and now you need to click on clear cache from here. So now you will have a lot of options. You will have the option to choose whatever account you want to delete your cache in. So after you do so, you need to make sure that you want to do this step because now you need to actually sign in back into your account. So after you do so, it will ask you again if you really want to clear your data. Click on clear and now wait and hit on OK. After you do so, now you need to hard reset your switch. How to actually do that? So you need to hold the power button for 30 seconds without stopping. So just hold the power button and ignore anything that pop up onto the window. Just hold it till it's turned off, fully turned off, and now after 30 seconds it will power on, or you can power it on, and that's it. Now you have hard resetted your switch. And that's it. Now hopefully the error will go. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.